The Brazilian butt lift or buttock augmentation with fat grafting and buttock implants are two great ways to increase the volume of the buttocks. A lot of women have not a lot of volume in the buttocks, want to get more projection, and it doesn't have to be huge. Sometimes women just want a little bit more shape. Buttock implants are great for those women who don't have a lot of areas for liposuction to get the fat. Others, liposuction, great liposuction on several areas of the body, like the abdomen, the thighs, the flanks, and then put that fat into the buttocks can be done safely. The procedure itself, again, involves liposuction, several different areas of the body, and then the fat is harvested sterilely. I isolate those pure fat cells, and I put the fat in the buttocks to get more volume, more shape. I also do buttock implants. That involves a small incision between the buttocks in order to augment the buttocks for those women that don't have enough fat for fat grafting and still want to get more volume. The recovery is about 2 weeks. No prolonged sitting for about 2 weeks, but you can lay on your side or your stomach. And exercise can begin with light cardio at about 2 to 3 weeks, heavy weightlifting at 6. So overall, the buttocks can be increased in volume with either fat or buttock implants. Sometimes I'll combine the two in order to get a nice shape, extra volume in the buttocks using the implants on the bottom, the fat on top, and overall, great procedure, well tolerated. You can actually do the liposuction and the fat grafting several times in order to get really good volume of the buttocks. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 410-205-1846. You can also email me directly through my website at www.baltimoreplasticsurgery.com.